evening, everyone. First, I'd like to thank everyone for attending this very special occasion for us. My special message to the couple. First, I would like to welcome Len to our family. It is a very happy occasion for all of us here. Another daughter for me. Another beautiful daughter. And my message again. I have, ever since they were little boys, I have wished for them that they get wives who will love them very much. And I think my prayers were answered, as always, by our dear God. And I wish you, Len and JJ, my children, to be happy, very happy together, to respect each other, and especially, really, to love each other. Because when there is love, there is patience, there is respect, there is trust. Right? So I wish you all the best, of course. And we love you. We love you very much. That's all.
Of course, after hearing from the groom's side, we must also hear from the bride's side. This
Medyo, no ako'y pulis, ako hindi ninenervyos eh. Ngayon na ako ninenervyos. Una-una, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon Diyos dahil kami pinagkalooban ng anak ng mabait, mananampalataya, at higit sa lahat, may tungkulin sa loob ng iglesia. Kaya, ngayong dalawa, Jay, Rayelin, sa panibagong buhay na inyong tatahakin, maaaring magkaroon kayo ng problema, maaaring magkaroon ng sakit, maaaring kung ano man ang dumating sa inyong buhay. Tandaan nyo lamang na mayroon tayong Diyos na madadaingan. Kaya sa inyong dalawa, kagaya kanina na inyong narinig, na itinuro ni Owen, na ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalay ng tao. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Colonel. Okay, so the CD of Miss Angel has been prepared, yes? All right, very good. So please take the first table. Angel, please take the center area. All right.
Hello. Before anything else, I would like to say, best wishes for Len and Jay. This song is for you. Hope you like it.
Lagay mo, sumasabog sa akin. Ewan ko bakit. Nung una kanina, okay. Para sa tayo nakatutok eh.
My name is Yolivel. I'm not really that great at public speaking, so I hope you don't mind if I read my speech from my iPhone. So just bear with me. Okay. So before I start, I'd like to say that Lynn, you are looking very beautiful tonight. Okay, I think we all can agree that she is the most beautiful bride we have ever seen. Um, um, and for so even as some of you might know, I actually live in Australia. So even though we've grown up far apart, many miles away, I consider Lynn to be my little sister. She's as you can see in the photos, we were always sent here by our parents to always establish that relationship with our relatives here in the Philippines. So we're very lucky to always come back here and connect, I guess, as cousins and as my little sister. For those who've known Lynn when she was young, you can say she was a very active child. Sabi nga ng iba na very makulit at saka para daw kiti-kite. So and she was always climbing things. And the first memory I have of Lynn and our visit to the Philippines was staying in their house, and Tita Early always saying, "Lynn, bumaba ka dyan sa bubong? Bubong? Is it?" So she was always climbing trees, climbing everything. And Tita Early was always worried that she'll damage her legs, of course, because as you can see, she was always in a lot of, I guess, pageants and always as a muse. Anyway, sorry to cut. I'm rambling and I've digressed from my speech. But anyway, I'm very honored that she's chosen me as her maid of honor, and I'm very humbled to stand here, to stand beside her at her wedding day, and I wish you all the best for the future. Because I know that you've married your best friend, as you can see in the photos. So I wish you and JJ, please take care of my cousin, and I hope you're all the best.
Alright, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, no po. Ako po si Paolo, kuya ni Jay, no. Dapat hindi ako yung nag-speech kasi best man no. Supposed to be Ian, yung bunso namin. No? So siguro ito is kuya speech, no. So una, binabati ko si Jay, si Len, no. Parang emotional lang. Awkward. No. Because masaya talaga ako para sa kanila. No, speechless. No? So ito yung panonoorin natin na, naku, nakakatawa ko na Paolo. Naka-video pa naman, no? Okay. But, yeah. Okay. Okay ang sounds mo, no? Okay. Sabihin ko seryoso na, pero seryoso naman ako kanina pa, no? Talagang naiiyak lang ako. Kasi gaya nung kanina, nung sa video, nung... seryoso tayo na background, ha? Wag na, naiiyak na ako No? Ako pa naman yung lalaki, should be si Oliver. Ako pa yung naiiyak. But, okay, again, no? Medyo freshen up lang ako, no? Kasi talagang tears of joy. Okay? Halata naman, masaya ako masyado. Para sa aking kapatid. Sa aking in-law ngayon, no? So, Len, first, welcome to the family. No? We're very happy na i-welcome ka. Lalo na we've known you for a long time. No? Yun nga, gaya na sinasabi ko nung piniplay kasi yung kanilang, what do you call that? AVP. No? Yung pinakaunang picture nila doon, wherein, ano ba yun, nag-enchanted ba tayo? Yeah, kami yung kasama nila. No? Siguro a little background na rin, no? Kasi asamod na ako nahimasmasan na ako, hindi na ako nahihiyak. No? Magkukwento na rin ako konti. Yeah. hindi pa ako nakainom ng wine, okay? Yes, no? Natutuwa ako kasi yung memory ko sa kanilang dalawa is napaka-fresh pa rin hanggang ngayon. Si Lenlen, tama ba? If I'm not mistaken, nakilala ko si Lenlen because of what? Because of your Ate Sara yata, no? Kasi si Lenlen, nag-OJT before kay Sara, yung wife ko po, no? And actually, that's the time din, no, na nakilala ko talaga si Sara. Yung time na ipinasok ko si JJ as OJT sa kanya. So parang yun yung, doon ba kayo nagkakilala talaga? Sa birthday niya. Sa birthday ni Ate Sara. Kasi yun nga, dahil doon, pareho silang nag-OJT. No? Pero hindi sila nagkasabay. No? Pero yun nga, syempre, as what we call tadhana, no? Destiny. Okay, from there, yeah, natutuwa talaga ako. Kasi napaka-fresh sa memory ko tuwing naalala ko, nakikita ko silang dalawa. Dahil yun yung talaga yung naalala ko. Knowing Jay, no. Ayun, gusto ko, I want to take the stage. Knowing Jay, nagulat ako kanina, sumayaw. Sumasayaw ang kapatid ko. Knowing him being the silent one, the serious type, I'm really happy for him. Naiyak talaga ako. Hindi na siguro ako mag-message. Yeah. Baka masiraan nila sa pagkain. All I can say is, yeah, I'm really happy for them. Siguro yung message ko, I will let them true to it pag tagal-tagal. It's really happy. Ang message ko is, yeah, di ba kanina, through memory lane no? So ngayon, mag-asawa na kayo, bagong ride to of your life. No? Sa akin kasi, ang pag-aasawa, no, through experience, para kang nagmamaneho. No? It's a lifelong trip nga lang na you get to ride with Len, with your loved one, with your wife now. No? So you get to experience new things. No? Na ang sarap ng feeling pagkasama mo yung mahal mo talaga. And yeah, so I just wish you dito sa bagong chapter ng buhay nyo, no? I-enjoy nyo. No? Now, life is short, okay? Enjoy nyo. Pag medyo nagkakatampuan, palagpasin nyo na. Lalo kung maliit lang naman. Things like that, no? So, enjoy life. Enjoy your married life together. Andito lang kami ni Ate Sara mo, ni Pacholo, the whole family, no? So, yep. Congrats and best wishes. So, kung si Alba nag-grumble ka na ako, nagbababol ako ngayon, no? Kasi talagang wala. I'm just really happy, no? To Tito Early, Colonel, no, Tito, okay? So, kami rin, as a family, we look forward, no, dito sa bagong chapter ng buhay nila. And yep, let's go all through it together. The more, the merrier. The bigger the family, the better. No? So, yep. Congrats.
Paolo, I'd like to call in Adrian so he can join you as you lead the toast. Yes, Adrian,
sure.
join them. Okay.
Yeah.
Paolo, you will be leading the toast
Ian
still.
and si Brian, please. Si Utol, bagong Utol. Where's Brian?
Brian.
Brian.